Two beautiful Mustangs in one screen is a treat to watch. Am I right? So in this video today we'll be going on a brief tour about the then and now series of the Mustangs. It's a fairy tale between these two. So let's get started. So first up we have this the 18.4 Mustang SVO from the then and now series, obviously. Okay. Oh my god, I almost killed it today. Okay, by the end of the video you're going to find out what does the SVO stand for if you already don't know that. And for more such crazy unboxings, do subscribe to my channel and I promise I won't let you down. Okay, subscribe is you telling me to use acetone, but where's the fun? Oh wow, this is a crazy car. That red sure looks daunting on this one. I don't know if daunting is the right word. Wow, and this is cool. So this does have the rear view mirrors, okay front detailing, but the Ford logo looks cool. So this was the detailing I was looking for. Sadly it's Hotwheels. So this has the PR5 wheels and the rear detailings are fine with the Ford, and also it has a Mustang SVO badging. That is very cool, right? There's no livery on this one as such. Okay, same things, the door handle are being embossed here, and this different looking spoiler here. Yeah, and we have the dual tone finish for the top. This is glossy and this is matte, you can see that, right? No paint job issues as such. Cool looking car. Now let's go back a little bit, to this car just for a second, because I have already opened the car and the video is out on the channel. If you want just my impressions on this car, then you can check that out. Okay, so this is the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, and it is a high performance version of the S650 Ford Mustang, designed by Chris Stevens. The Dark Horse was designed more for track performance. So as I told in my video, so this is the toned down version of that track version, right? And what else? It is powered by the 5-liter Coyote V8, modified with forged pistons and a unique crankshaft design, mated to a 6-speed Tremec TR3160 manual. The engine produces a crazy 500 horsepower. So this is the car here we have in front of us. This comes with the satin matte blue finish. This is an absolute gorgeous car, and this is true worth the hype of this Coupe case. Okay, this had come in the much earlier case. I don't remember. Rolls nice, very laying to the ground, no wheel wobble as such, similar to this one. Mustangs roll good. Okay, so now coming back to this car, as to what this car is. Okay, first time it was launched in 2012 in the Hot Wheels, the Hot Ones section, the series. Okay, the Ford Mustang SVO was a limited production variant of the third generation Ford Mustang, produced from 1984 to 1986. Unlike its predecessor, the Mustang Cobra, the SVO was designed differently than most mainstream Mustangs that we can see here. Like, it doesn't look much like a Mustang, with the smaller wheels on the front and bigger wheels at the back. The SVO was designed for Ford's special vehicle operations, and that is SVO, right? Hence the name. And like its predecessor, the Mustang Cobra, the SVO was also a liftback design, right? And what else do I remember about this one? And this is the 84 model, right? So only 4508 were produced in 1984. So that's pretty much it about this one. And talking about it, I will try to mark the details on this one with my silver. Where is the silver? I had a silver. This one, what do you call that? Yeah, this is the silver marker. I wanted to do this headlight here. We'll do it later on. So this was it from the video. This is the Ford Mustang SVO 84, and this is the Mustang Dark Horse. And the color combination that they have gone for both these cars is cool. Like, this is the representing the 1980s and 1990s, so the red was pretty much striking. And now the 2024 model has come with a satin blue finish. Not satin, what the hell. So yeah, both these cars doing an amazing job, especially this one nailing the front details, the back details, right? Rear view mirrors, amazing wheels, truly magnificent design. Magnificent, yeah. So that's it from the video. If you are into more of these, so I think there's one more episode left of the Then and Now series, and then we move to the next one, right? So coming up video could be this one. So this is the Silverado Then and Now. I don't have the QK Silverado. I'm looking for that one. As soon as I have that, the video is out, and make sure you're subscribed to see that one as well. And you know that I have not opened that car, the Chevy Silverado. So yeah, that's it from today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Be happy. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life and happy collecting. See you guys in the next one.